Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert.
This is a wireless phone which is working in GSM band, in short a big mobile phone. This is very helpful for aged people who cannot use small keypad or touchpad of mobile phones. My parents are aged and in my home I am having wired landline phone. The problem with that is when a thunderstorm occurs or heavy raining, then the landline will be either disconnected or sound through it will be distorted. So a mobile phone was needed, but my parents are unable to use small mobile phones. So I bought this one nearly 1 year back, which was very helpful. This one has all the buttons and all the functionalities of a mobile phone. I will add the buying link of this mobile phone in the description box, and if you have any suggestions or doubt, then please comment on this video. The problem with this phone is the battery backup is very less, so I thought of upgrading its battery. This battery is made up of nickel metal hydride with 3.6 volt and 550 milliamps of capacity. What I am planning is to parallelly connect two batteries of lithium-ion 18650 with 2000 mAh and thus a total of 4000 mAh capacity, and not this one, I will buy two new batteries for this purpose. Also, we will be using TP4056 charging module for charging the batteries. The phone has a micro USB charging port, but we will not be using that now. I am going to buy new batteries and will be back soon. we will dismantle this battery to see where the white wire is connected. Normally it should be connected to the thermistor, and the other end of the thermistor is connected to the negative terminal. While charging, if the battery temperature is increasing, then the charging controller will disconnect the charging current to the battery, and thus making the battery and other components safe. But here you can see there is no thermistor connected. Instead of that, the white wire is directly connected to the negative terminal of the battery. We will also connect the white wire to the negative terminal of the battery. Please do not forget to click the like button and also share this to your friends. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you.
This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.